back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to sync video cuts to beats automatically in CapCut. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to sync video cuts to beats automatically in CapCut, all you gotta do is simply go to CapCut. Once you're in your CapCut, you need to now simply tap open your project. Once you select your project, you need to add your audio. You need to select the music track and use the beats feature to auto-generate beat maker. Once you have done this as well, you need to now simply zoom in and manually split your video clips to align their start or end points with those markers for a perfect rhythm. Now, if you're using a desktop version, you can also select both audio and video and use the right-click sync video and audio option in it. So if you're going to follow this simple and easy method, then you will be able to simply sync video cuts, beat automatically in CapCut. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.